Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today, we're going to do a quick tutorial about how to use the Photoshop Quick Selection tool. Once we've opened our Photoshop program, we'll select the picture that we want to use. On the left panel of Photoshop, you'll select the Quick Selection tool, which is the fourth one down. By selecting this tool, you'll be able to select whatever you want to. To make the tool bigger and smaller, use the open and closed brackets on the keyboard. I'm using a Mac, so my keyboard may look different than yours. Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. I'm going to hold down my mouse and select everything that I want. I know that I have not selected everything inside, but that's a quick fix, and I'll show you in a second. Once you're satisfied with the selection you've made, go to the top and click on Select and Mask. It will bring you to this screen. There are a few different ways that you can see exactly what you've cut out. On the right-hand side, you can change the view mode. There is onion skin, marching ants, overlay, on black, on white, black and white, on layers. I prefer the overlay mode. So here you'll notice that the heart on the ace is not selected. So from here, I'm just going to hold my mouse down and make that correction. I know it's a little hard to see because everything is red, so I'm going to change it to a bright green. Now you will notice that everything is selected. You can change the amount of feathering that this quick selection tool does. I like to keep mine pretty low. Before we move on, we have to make sure to check mark this box over here that says Decontaminate Colors. There are 4 different ways to output. We have New Layer, Layer Mask, New Document with Layer Mask. I will choose New Layer, but the choice is totally up to you. If you want Photoshop to remember the settings, click this box. If you're happy with all of the settings, click OK, and you're done. If you are finished with your project, don't forget to save it. Well, that's it for this Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.